Dirty, stinky, scary are all synonyms with a public toilet. You can feel panic and anxiety creepily settling in like a complex math problem to figure out how exactly are you going to pee. Well, we can't stop nature's call, but what we can do is try these 4 easy ways to pee the next time you decide to sit or not safely without touching the toilet seat. So let's begin. First one is actually a no-brainer. Most women have tried the squat method and would agree that peeing like that is no joke. Here, all the times that you've done the squat exercise will come to play. The trick is simple. Just place your feet fairly wider than hip-width apart and create a steady base. Then hover towards the seat while slightly leaning forward, or you can put your hands or elbows on your thighs while leaning forward to prevent wobbling. So now that you know how important it is to strengthen your thighs, go hit the gym and pee like a total pro without touching the seat. Peeing in a public toilet is never like a clean go. Gone are the days when we used to decorate the toilet seat with tissue papers. Unfortunately, lining the pot with toilet paper won't do much, even if you're using the fancy kind. This is because you're still exposed to the same amount of bacteria and germs. Here, toilet seat covers are your savior. Seat covers protect you from germs and dirt that are present in the toilets and also keep the bathroom safe and clean. Just pull the cover straight out of the packaging and place the side of the flap towards the front of the toilet, with the flap going inside. Public toilets are U-shaped, so the flap prevents the germs and water from collecting there. The covers are made from biodegradable material and break down easily in the water. Simply flush it when you finish. Using a public toilet is definitely not on anyone's list considering their conditions in our country. In fact, most of us will hold it in for as long as possible to avoid using one. But sometimes we just don't have the option. Just like there are sanitizers for your hand, there are sanitizers for toilet seats as well. They are disinfectants that kill harmful bacteria present on the seat and makes it a safe and hygienic spot to use. The best part is, these sanitizers are available in spray bottles and can be used directly to spray on the seat. They are very convenient to use as they come in small bottles and can be taken along with you wherever you go. So next time, don't hold it in, just go ahead without fear, spray and pee. No more hovering around. It's time to pee like a man. Yes, you heard that right. We all know men have it easy, so why not us? Pee funnel is the need of the hour for every woman in the world. Female urinary devices or FUDs let women pee standing without having to drop your pants completely and without having to catch infections like UTIs from the toilet seat. The closed design of the funnel ensures that the entire region is splash and leak proof with zero chances of leakage. It looks like a funnel, so all you have to do is stand, place the funnel between your legs right under the flow, tilt the funnel downwards, relax and pee safely. So go ahead, say no to wiping dirty seats or resisting not to pee. Be confident and carry your savior in your purse all day long. So there you go. Hover, cover, spray or stand. You have 4 easy options to pee confidently and safely in a public toilet without having to touch the seat. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.